Hey, Willis, I appreciate it. I'm going to go ahead and take the Allen wrench, put it up. I knew there was something in there that I was missing. The Allen wrench is what it was, so let me go ahead and get that going. One like that, so I have to use this one and put this in here, which isn't very good because it's really hard to spin, but it is spinning. Nope, it is spinning, but it's really hard to spin, so I'm going to keep on spinning. Hey, Willis, thank you. Appreciate it. Guess what? Works.